Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Boom Crosses a Level Crossing. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today we're at Ingatestone Level Crossing on the Great Eastern Main Line. The date today is Thursday the 29th of July 2021, so let's cross. So down the line is the east, and up the line is London. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Boom Crosses a Level Crossing. It was good to see some 3-2-1s before they go. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and remember to stay alert and look out for trains.